Hi, in this video let's see how to add a site to Google Search Console step by step. My name is Karthik from 62K Marketing. I am your host for this video. Without further ado, let's get into the video. Now step 1. Open your Google Search Console account. Now go to search.google.com/search console. If you don't have a Google Search Console account yet, then you can easily create one using a Gmail address. Now once you open your Google Search account, you need to click on Add Property, and you won't be seeing any of the data that is shown in the screen below because your account will be a new one and there won't be any data. So now once you click on Add Property, we've been given this pop-up, and in this pop-up we can see the two ways to verify our website. The first one is domain verify and the other one is URL prefix. Now, domain verify is the hardest among the two and is the best way to track all the variations of the website and also its subdomains. Now, what are the variations of the website? For example, my website is venkatkarthik.com and my website variations are venkatkarthik.com and www.venkatkarthik.com, https.venkatkarthik.com, https.www.venkatkarthik.com, and many more. And the subdomains would be blog.venkatkarthik.com, test.venkatkarthik.com, and can be anything followed by .venkatkarthik.com. So this is an example of subdomains. Now if we domain verify, we can verify all these variations and subdomains all at once. But on the other hand, if we want to verify only one variation such as https.venkatkarthik.com, then URL prefix is the best one to go and the fastest one. Now, in this video, let's see how to add a site using domain verification using DNS verification. Now, this may sound complicated, but it's not. So, let's get into it. Step 2 is domain verification using DNS record. Now, before we go any further into the video, please leave a like if this video is informative so far and also subscribe to our channel for more similar videos. Now I just entered a sample example website and then I'll click on continue. It will check the website that we just entered and provide us with this screen to add a .txt record. All you have to do is copy. Now open your website domain register like GoDaddy, Namecheap, Google Domains, etc. No matter who your domain registrar is, the process is same. And in my case, I'll open Google Domains and I logged in. Now go to the DNS section and then scroll down to custom resource records. Now you may need to enter these things, so please follow along. Now the first field should be @ and the next one you need to select from the drop down and choose txt, and this is the TTL, that is how much time that this record should be live. So this would be 1 hour and 1 hour is the default, and here we will paste the code that we copy from here. Click on copy and you can see copy to clipboard and then paste it here. Now all you need to do is save this record, and to save this record click on the add, and I'm not going to do it as I already have another record and this may conflict. So this is how you add a website. Now once you are done, it may take up to 5 to 24 hours to update for a new site, so please be patient, and in the next video I'll show you how you can verify your site using URL prefix. And now how to check whether your website is verified or not. So you will be seeing like this. Now once you click on this drop down, you can see under not verified, I have given the example.com as an example. So once you click on it, it will check the verification. So if the record got updated, then the verification would be completed and successful. So now you can see the data, but it may take up to 2 days to reflect any data. So that is how you use domain verify. Hope this video is very helpful, and if this video is, please leave a like and comment so that this video stands out from the crowd. Subscribe for more helpful videos, and thanks and see you soon.